Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and we're going to be doing a cash stuffing today for my mom, aka Gramzee's budget. Let's see what we are working with today. So we are working with $1,302 minus $30. So let's see what that is. 1302 minus 30, so that's going to be $1,272. So let's give this a real quick cash count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1,100, 1,200, 220, 30, 40, 50, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 2. So we do have $1,272. I'm going to get this cash set up real quick and I'll bring you guys right back. Slide up one more. All right, so let's get set up here for this. Okay, so we're going to start with renter's insurance, and that is going to be $6. So now in renter's insurance, we have 20, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $54, which matches what I am tracking. So that's good. The next one we're going to stuff is car insurance, and that is $108. 100, a 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see how much we have now, because it is going to be time to renew soon. I think we renew this one in March, so we're getting closer to the day. Okay, so let's see what we have. We should have, well, let's count it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, which is exactly what we should have. So we have 972 saved up for our car insurance, and we're going to try to pay this for the whole entire year. This is not going to be just for 6 months. We have been saving for this all year since the beginning of this year. So the next one is going to be car registration, which is coming up as well. So well, actually we just renewed this in August. I'm thinking of mine, but this is hers. So she just renewed hers, I believe, in August. So we're starting over basically for the new year, and that's going to get a 5 and 4 ones, because we're starting over. So that's going to be $9, and we should have just a couple in here right now. So let's see how much we have. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So yes, we have $18, and that's what we should have. So that matches what I am showing. Okay, the next one is copays. We're not we're not stuffing this one, but we're just gonna do a quick check to see what we have. And we have 50, which is what I'm showing, so that's good. We're just double checking. She doesn't have anything coming up so far, so we're just kind of saving that amount for a rainy day. So the next one is for medications, and we are going to be stuffing $1, and there's nothing in there now, so that's good. And this is for something she gets quarterly, so this is her little note to herself, so we'll just put that on the back. And so for gifts, we are putting in $30, and that is going to be a 20 and a 10. we're starting over with this because we've had a lot of October birthdays. So she took out money from that for that. So the next one is printer ink, and we're not stuffing anything in that. And it also has nothing because she bought a refill. For Google One, we are going to be stuffing $3. And I believe this may get us paid in full. So we were trying to get to about $32, which is about the subscription amount for the year. So this is going to complete what we need to save. So 20, 31, 2, 3. So we are going to be fully funded for our Google One subscription. Yay. Yay for fully funded. So that is going to be the last amount we need to stuff in there until it's ready to renew. Software, we're not putting anything in software. So this was for her antivirus software, or just, we made it just generic so that in the future she could use it for anything else. But we're not stuffing anything in there right now. So for rent, we are going to be stuffing $910 because that is the new amount. And so we're going to take 900 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we are stuffing $10. Yes, 10. So $910 is what we have for rent for next month. So this is going to be for November rent. Utilities, we are going to stuff $110. But we have 50s here. 110. So 110. So I think I need to make some change because I think she took the wrong denominations out. So let me see if I have enough to make change for a 50, 20, 30. Let's go back over here and so okay, so that's what it is. Gifts doesn't get anything because she actually took what she pulled. So I don't think that's enough though, because we need 100. Well, yeah, we need 110. So I think that'll be what we need. Let's see how much we have now. So we have 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have, what did I say, $218. So she does have a good sized buffer in here because her bills have varied so much. And y'all, we figured out recently when we were going through her bills that her apartment complex has been charging her for 3 people. So we're working currently on trying to get a credit for all of the months that she's been basically overpaying, which makes a lot of sense on why her bills have all of a sudden been so high. So, and they've been high for months, and she never noticed on the bill that it showed that they were charging her for 3 people. So that was a good find, but now we're going to have to fight with them to get that credit because this month in November, she's planning on moving. So we'll see how that goes, but it should be a few $100s of overpayment that she has paid them. So that's going to be interesting. We'll keep you guys posted on how that works out. But yeah, that does make a lot more sense on why she's been overpaying. But I'm glad we found it now before she moved instead of after she moved. So we have a chance to intercept and hopefully get some money back from them. So the next one we're going to stuff is electric, and that's 75. So it's going to be 50, 75. And also her electric bill has gone down some. So they readjusted her budget billing amount. So now it's going to be less. So it should be about 49 going forward. and she's gonna stuff 75 this month. So 150, 170, 195, 200, 205, 26, 27, 208. So we have $208 in our electric. And so next month we'll change this to stuff about maybe, I would say maybe about 55, because they changed her new amount to about $49. And I like for her to save a little bit, a couple dollars of a buffer. So she's paying $63 a month, but I was making her save $75 just so that she could have a little bit of a buffer built up. So obviously it's worked because she has over $100 of a buffer, so that's great. She might definitely be pulling from that for her move coming up, but hopefully not. So we'll see how that goes. So her internet bill is also $50, so we're gonna say $50, and there's nothing else there, and that should complete our stuffing, you guys. And we will keep you guys posted on the budget. I need to do a budget closeout for her budget for September and October. I just hadn't really had a chance to iron out all the details because we've been trying to figure out her bills. We've been trying to find her a place to stay, and you know, a new place that we've been apartment hunting. It's just been a really stressful month and a stressful process in the month of October. So kind of fell off track with videos and posting because it's just been really hectic and busy, trying to figure everything out and get everything settled for her coming up. This past week we think we secured her an apartment somewhere, and I'll share more with you guys once we for sure have everything settled. I'm hoping to go see it with her because I haven't seen it yet. I've seen it in pictures but not in person, and we'll keep you guys posted. It's going to be good for her. Not good for me, but good for her, and that's what counts. But these budget numbers are going to change, so we're going to have to see what we can do there, and that may mean that, you know, I'll be having to help her out a little bit, just because I want to, not because she needs me to. But so we'll see what happens there, but we'll definitely keep you guys posted. But anyways, you guys, thanks for tuning into another video. I hope that everyone has a great week and a great weekend and the rest of your day, and I'll be posting this video very soon, right now at the end of October, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.